Today we're back at it again, flying the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Virtually no wind, a relatively new sight for the channel. We're going to see how loud this DJI is. This is before we do anything, the background noise. I'll just be quiet. So quiet office around 54 when I'm not talking. There you go, 74, 76. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it and then we'll step away and see how much difference it is. About 5 feet away, at the most 10 dB. 10 feet away, I can hear the buzzing just a little more, not too much. 15 feet away, you can barely hear it over the average noise. 20 feet, barely know it's there. So let's take it up and see how we do. Right up against it again. It's 5 feet off the deck. We're going to take it up. It says 3.9 feet, but it's a little higher than that. Now let's take it up 10 feet. Maybe 6 dB. 3 dB. 25 feet. 40 feet. Really can't hear it. You be the judge. Can you hear it? Jets going overhead. They're a heck of a lot louder than that. The jets are toning in about 70. Take it up a little bit more. 45. Nice stable hover. You wouldn't even know it's there. Now when you do this test, it's interesting because you think the surrounding area is quiet and it's not. This is considered conversation, quiet office, and it's still pretty loud. Now when you're doing little maneuvers, you'll hear it until it stabilizes out. Now let's just take it up and give it a nice little view of the area. So how fast to go? So I'm at about a half stick, quarter stick, and that's a nice, calm rotation. All right, looking at it, bringing it back. Now let's try to point it down here. There I am. Whoa, it's going back. Interesting. Always learning every time I fly this thing. There I am. Hey, how's it going? All right, we're just going to bring it down. You can see the little quadcopter symbol. All right, I'm going to nudge it forward a little bit. Get it over the spot. So I'm looking at it so it's reverse controls, opposite direction, which takes a little getting used to if you're not used to it. And it's getting ready to land anyway, whether I like it or not. Here we go. Come on. Go down. One of the things I really don't like about the Mini 4 Pro is the batteries drain. I charged the batteries last week and it was down to 2, flashing to 3. Compared to many of the electronics that I have, the batteries on this drain way too quick. It's a smart battery, but you just don't want to cycle it too much. I know people are recording the cycles. I might do that too. If you think you're going to fly, charge all the batteries like the day before or the morning of, certainly 6 hours ahead of time. I used a fast charger this time and it went a lot quicker than just a standard charger. Sound-wise, I'm pretty surprised how quiet it is. About 10 feet away, the background noise tends to absorb the sound of the drone, and by 20 feet, you can't hear it. Now, in transition up and down, you can hear it, but once it gets in place, above, say, 20 or 30 feet, it's ninja quiet. Certainly over that generator. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of quadcopter reviews, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna hear.